everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm sharing with you this amazing strawberry pie recipe. It's vegan, it has all these amazing ingredients in it and I think that you'll definitely enjoy it. So for the crust you're gonna need 500 grams of whole wheat flour, 150 grams of coconut oil, 5 to 10 tablespoons of water, 5 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a vanilla bean, and I also forgot to mention 50 grams of margarine. And then for the filling, 450 grams of frozen strawberries, 150 grams of frozen raspberries, 20 dates, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a lemon and half an orange. Before we start with the recipe, I will ask you for a little favor. Please take a second and click that subscribe button below the video. That means that you will keep track with my videos. You don't have to pay anything, but it will mean a lot to me. It would help me a lot to grow my channel. So thank you if you did it, and let's just continue with the video. So first I combined my oils with flour. So then I also add water, salt, and inner part of vanilla bean. I just scrape it out and it looks something like this. Then I also add 5 tablespoons of maple syrup. And just mix everything very nicely. If it's still too hard to combine, just add more water. And here I'm just putting flour on the table so that the butter won't stick to the surface when I will work with it. And you can press it together really hard because otherwise it can fall apart, so just be patient, just work with it, just play around. It's not that hard. And I'm making 2 bowls, one bigger and one smaller, because one will be for the crust and the second for this heart-shaped decoration on top. I will just put them in the fridge for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm preparing the oven. I will put it in 180 degrees and then I started preparing the filling. First I just put berries in a bowl and put it in a low heat so that it will melt. And then I'm squeezing here half a lemon and half a orange, and I'm adding the juice to my berries. Now we can prepare our sweetener, which will be dates mixed with water. I'm just blending them together, and when you're done, you're left with this smooth paste. I'm preparing the tray here. I will just crush some almonds. And grease the tray with coconut butter. And then put on top some crushed almonds. And I'm doing this because it gives really nice taste and crunch to the crust. Now I'm just rolling out the batter and I will transfer it to the tray. and we can pop it in the oven for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm rolling out the other part of mixture. I will take a heart shape, make a little hearts. And then we can finish our filling. I'm just taking out a little bit of liquid so that the filling won't be too liquid, and adding in date paste and also cornstarch. Now I have to mention here that this mixture is cold, so I'm just mixing everything together and transferring it to the crust, which you can see is already a little bit baked. It looks really nice. And I'm adding on top a little hearts, and in the oven it goes for around 40 minutes. And then on the top I like to put a little bit of grated chocolate, and that's it. You think it looks gorgeous. It's really good, it's amazing, it's very tasty. We eat it in one day, so it's perfect. I hope you enjoy the recipe, I hope that you'll try it out, and see you in my next video.